Okay, so now we will be talking about some surface level characteristics. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, those are what you see in front of you. ठीक है, जो आपको पता होता है, जिसके बारे में if you're hiring someone, you know about that because it's present in their file. उन्होंने state की हुई वो चीज़. If you're friends with somebody, if you're friends with your coworker, आपको surface level जो points होते हैं, surface level characteristics जो होते हैं, वो आपको पता होते हैं. Basically, diversity is a very broad term, and the phrase workplace diversity can refer to any characteristics that makes people different from one another. So, जो surface level characteristics होते हैं, वो यही होते हैं कि आप उनके basis पे diversify कैसे कर सकते हैं. So, the first one that we have is biographical characteristics. Biographical characteristics such as age, gender, race, disability are some of the most obvious ways employees differ. Um, let's just look at the factors that are easily definable and readily available data that can be obtained for the most part or for an employee's human resource file. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा जब हायर हो रहे होते हैं, जब पेपर वर्क हो रहा होता है, तो उसमें जो इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाती है वो आपका surface level characteristics होते हैं. Variation in surface level characteristics may be the basis of discrimination against classes of employees, so it's worth knowing how related they actually are to work out. ठीक है, so age सबसे पहले एक surface level characteristic है. Age in workforce is likely to be an issue of increasing importance during the next decade for multiple reasons. ठीक है, the problem is biomodel. जैसे कि अगर हम इंडिया की एग्जांपल लें, इंडिया इज़ अ वेरी यंग कंट्री विद लार्ज यंग वर्कफोर्स. ठीक है, इंडिया की जो मीडियन एज ऑफ पॉपुलस इन द कंट्री इज़ 27.9 years. ठीक है, so what that means is कि 19% of that particular population in that country is of 15 to 24 years of age, and 41% जो उनकी population that is of 25 to 54 years. ठीक है, so age is going to be a problem when it comes to hiring in countries such as India जहाँ पे young generation अब ज़्यादा आएगी. ठीक है, जैसे जैसे एज बढ़ती जाती है वैसे वैसे परफॉर्मेंस थोड़ी सी गिरती जाती है. ठीक है, the workforce is aging, and it's aging in most developed countries. ठीक है, by in one of the papers that I was reading, by 2014 to 2024 projections, the average annual growth rate of workers over age 54 in the labor force is expected to be only 1.8%. So जो 58 से जिनकी एज ऊपर होगी वो सिर्फ 1.8% रह जाएगा. ठीक है, so that actually means that all those employees जो senior employees होंगे उनके लिए टफ टाइम होगा. ठीक है, one of the very stereotyped notion with respect to elderly employees is that they're grumpy, they're slow, they're inflexible when it comes to um, changes. ठीक है, अगर आप HR में अपना मेजर्स कहते हैं तो HR में एक कोर्स होता है चेंज मैनेजमेंट, एंड चेंज मैनेजमेंट में एक पार्ट होता है जिसमें सिखाया जाता है कि जो एल्डरली एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, अगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी लगाई जा रही है तो वो चेंज मैनेजमेंट की उनको ट्रेनिंग कैसे दी जाती है. ठीक है, और चेंज मैनेजमेंट उनके लिए कितनी ज़रूरी है, एंड elderly employees they are not comfortable with change. ठीक है, so they would rather want to retire on pension or something than to implement or change experience करें वो. ठीक है, managers often see a number of positive qualities that older workers bring to their jobs such as experience, judgment, ठीक है, strong work ethic, commitment to quality. Research ने prove किया हुआ है, even if you look at yourselves. ठीक है, if you're working at your dad's business for example, जो कमिटमेंट ड्राइव और मोटिवेशन उनके अंदर थी एट योर एज टू बी सक्सेसफुल, ठीक है, वो शायद आपके अंदर ना हो, बिकॉज यू राइट नाउ हैव डिफरेंट प्रायोरिटीज बिकॉज ऑफ an entirely different environment, entirely different generation, all of that. ठीक है, तो वो उनकी कमिटमेंट, उनका वर्क एथिक बहुत डिफरेंट होगा एज कम्पेयर टू यू. So conclusively, we can see that surface level characteristic of an employee's age is an unfounded basis for discrimination, and that age diverse workforce is benefit for an organization. However, discrimination हो सकता है, discrimination potentially होगा भी. So that is something a manager needs to deal with when the time comes. Next, we have gender. Of course, it's one of the most visible aspects when it comes to surface level characteristics. A few issues initiate more debates, misconceptions, and unsupported opinions than whether women perform as well as men. Organization behavior में बहुत ज़्यादा research होती है, male versus female leadership, which one's better. ठीक है, women go through a lot of stereotypes when it comes to leadership positions, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था वो क्वीन बी वाली पूरी एग्जाम्पल. ठीक है, why women tend to show such a extreme mean behavior is only because of stereotypical notions that women are not good leaders or they're too emotional when it comes to leadership. ठीक है, so gender is in fact one of the most common, one of the most visible surface level characteristics which leads to discrimination in workforce. ठीक है, a few, if any, important differences between men and women affect job performance. Psychological studies have found women are more likely agreeable and willing to conform to authority, whereas men are more aggressive and more likely to have expectations of success. But those differences are minor. Regardless of how minor these differences may be, जब hiring हो रही होती है तो managers are influenced by gender bias and when they're selecting candidates for certain positions. For instance, men are preferred in hiring decisions for male-dominant occupations, particularly when men are doing the hiring. Once on the job, men and women may be offered a similar number of developmental experiences, sorry, but females are less likely to be assigned challenging positions by men, um, and they're also less likely to receive promotion. अब पाकिस्तान में जैसे कि क्या होता है दैट वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस पाकिस्तान जैसी सोसाइटीज़ में बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ा जाता है, रिसर्च की जाती है, बिकॉज पाकिस्तान में एक इशू है ये. Most of the times women and married women are not allowed to work because the label that women are in our societies have is of homemakers. ठीक है, कि इनका काम घर पे ही है, ये घर पे ही रहें, families को look after करें, बच्चों को look after करें and all of that. ठीक है, um, if somebody wants to do that by her choice, that is perfectly okay, but if she doesn't want to do it, then obviously it becomes a problem. अब अगर क्या कहते हैं, एक औरत लड़के सारा कुछ करके इजाज़त दे भी देती है, द कंडीशन यूजुअली सेट इज़ कि तुमने अपने घर में पूरी अटेंशन देनी है. ठीक हो गया. जब घर पर टेंशन देनी होती है तो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस जैसे जो स्टडीज़ होती हैं उन पे काम होना शुरू हो जाता है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू वर्किंग 9 to 5 देन यू गो होम, यू आर टायर्ड, यू हैव टू कुक, यू हैव टू, आपने अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाना है, you have to clean the house, all of that. ठीक है, normally organizations, ये जो 9 to 5 corporate वाली organizations होती हैं, they don't give promotion to women. ठीक है, because they believe that she won't be able to do justice. वो टाइम पे काम नहीं कर पाएंगी, वो वाली विलिंगनेस और वो वाला एफर्ट नहीं कर पाएंगी जो एक बंदा कर पाएगा, बिकॉज men usually just only work 9 to 5 and that's it. When they go home they relax, they eat their food, they sleep, that's it. ठीक है, for women it's a different ball game. Aside from that, married women are also not given promotions because the another stereotypical notion is that eventually they'll get pregnant and then they would have to leave their jobs. ठीक है, so there's no point in giving her a promotion जब इन्होंने कुछ महीने बाद छोड़ के चले जाना. This is one of the reasons why women in Pakistan, they resort for careers in school teachers or as university teachers, because careers are usually in these two fields are usually more flexible, especially when it comes to school teaching. Arts से दो नौकरी होती है, and that is it. So gender, the entire sorry, the entire point of telling you all of this is that gender plays a huge role when it comes to gender is one of the very prominent surface level characteristic, and it also plays a huge role when it comes to discrimination, especially in imbalanced gender societies such as Pakistan and other conservative orthodox societies as well. Because of gender, gender has a negative impact. Notably, women will earn less money than men for the same positions, even in traditionally female roles. ठीक है. Furthermore, जब हम gender में gender differences की जैसे promotion की बात करते हैं, bonuses, salaries की बात करते हैं, they're like 14 times larger differences when it comes to the benefits that men get as compared to women. And ये फिर सारे जेंडर की जब हम बात करते हैं तो ये वाले सारे डायनामिक्स आ जाते हैं. So the next point that we have is of race and ethnicity. I'm sure you guys know of these two characteristics as well. Race is a controversial issue in societies and in organizations. Basically, race is defined as the heritage people use to identify themselves, whereas ethnicity is the additional set of cultural characteristics that often overlaps with race. Typically, we associate race with biology, whereas ethnicity की जब बात कर रहे होते तो वो culture की बात आ जाती है उसमें. ठीक है. There are laws in different parts of the world where discrimination को कम करने की कोशिश की जाती है. These countries include Australia, the UK and the US. US में laws बहुत हैं when it comes to ethnicity and race discrimination. However, those laws are not practiced that well. अभी recently भी there was this African American guy who was killed by two white men in a park, I think. So race issues are very common. Organizations में क्या होता है basically because of race, hiring decisions, performance evaluations, pay, workplace discrimination और इस तरह के जो aspects होते हैं उन पे इसका effect आता है. Managers or individuals may slightly favor colleagues of their own race in performance evaluations, promotions, pay raises and so on. If we look at even our country, we are not too supportive of different ethnicities and race. Example मैं बहुत दफ़ा यूज़ भी करती रही हूँ. इस दफ़ा तो by chance we're all at home, so we don't know कि क्या बनना था. But I remember last year there was a fine on anybody who was seen eating during Ramadan सुबह के time. So we conveniently forget that we have other minorities in our country as well. In fact, every year हमारे जो मुसलमान बिरादरान होते हैं वो किसी को मानना शुरू कर देते हैं, किसी हिंदू को या दूसरे रिलीजन के बंदे को, अगर वो सड़क पे खड़े होकर कुछ खा रहा हो. हर साल ऐसी कोई ना कोई वीडियो या पिक्चर निकलती है. सो इवन countries like ours, we're not too receptive of different races and ethnicities unless or until the person's white and she's a woman. तब सब खुश हो जाते हैं. Okay, so finally we have disability. A person is disabled who has any physical or mental impairment that substantially limits one or more major life activities. The reasonable accommodation is problematic for employers. Strong biases exist against those with mental impairment. I mean, in our country, we don't even have disability accessible मटेरियल मॉल्स वगैरह के बाहर, तो इनका हायरिंग का जो कोटा होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा लिमिटेड होता है.